Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Standard 6 pupils, boys and girls. I welcome you all to our science lesson. Our topic is energy. The subtopic is light. Welcome. Pupils, light is a form of energy. We want to have a look on how light travels. Pupils, light travels in all directions from a source, but in a straight line. I repeat, light travels in all directions from a source, but in a straight line. If you look at the picture, we have the source of light is the torch or spotlight. But if you look on the rays, they move in a straight line. That's why we say light travels in all directions from a source, but in a straight line. Pupils, light from a source spreads in all directions in straight lines. We want to see demonstrating that light travels in a straight line. Pupils, if we were to arrange the hard cards are the ones which look like books. That is the hard card. So I'm saying, if you were to arrange the hard cards and the candles are shown, we have the candle, we have the hard card with the holes, then we have an eye, then you looking through the whole set, the light of the candle can be seen. The light of the candle can be seen. Light from the candle has traveled through light from the candle has traveled through holes in card X, Y, and Z to reach the eye, where we have an eye, at the position shown in a straight line. Pupils, if one card is moved, for example, you move Y, the candle light cannot be seen because the holes are not in a straight line. Rays. Pupils, rays are straight lines that show the path of light and it is direction of travel. Pupils, if you look at the picture, that is the source, that is the sun. If you look at the rays move in all directions, but in a straight line. A beam. What is a beam, pupils? A beam is a group of rays. If you look at the torch, those are the rays the rays, those rays, they form, because there are so many, they form a beam. So a beam is a group of rays that is referred to as a beam. Come across reality, how light travels. Pupils, put on a lamp and place it outside a house during a very dark day. Move all around the lamp while gazing at it, looking at it. Move behind a building or away from the lamp. Try to observe it if light reaches your eyes. The fact which you are going to come up, pupil, is that light spreads in all directions from a source. Next is that light travels in a straight line. It cannot travel over, under, or through an obstruction like building. Are these two facts about light true for the sunlight? If you look at the picture, we have the candle, we have wood, we have rays of light going upwards, going sideways, then they fall on the wood. Pupils, light travels in a straight line in all directions. Pupils, up to that point, we come to the end of our science lesson on energy. I urge you to listen carefully. You jot down the notes until our next lesson, inshallah, on Friday, when we are going to see the effects of different materials on light. Wish you a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.